Hey there, welcome back to our trigonometry series. How can we find the value of sin2A plus sin2B plus sin2C when A plus B plus C is equal to pi? We start with the given expression P. Now apply the sum of sines formula to the first two terms, which gives us 2 sin A plus B times cos A minus B plus sin2C. Since A plus B plus C is equal to pi, therefore A plus B is equal to pi minus C, which means sin A plus B is equal to sin pi minus C, which is equal to sin C. Therefore, P is equal to 2 sin C times cos A minus B plus sin 2C, which can be written as 2 sin C cos C. By taking 2 sin C common, we get cos A minus B plus cos C. Cos C can be written as cos pi minus A plus B, and which is equal to minus cos A plus B. Now applying difference of cosine formula, we get P equals 4 sin A sin B sin C. There you have it, folks. The value of sin2A plus sin2B plus sin2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning!